What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Guap Financial, and today we are going to be unboxing my Apple Titanium card. So recently I told you guys about the new savings account that was only offered through Apple. Now, in order to be eligible for this savings account with a 4.15% APY, you must first own an Apple Titanium card, which is the Apple credit card. So I recently applied for it. I got approved for it the same day and opened up my savings account the same day and already made a deposit of $2,000. So the APY interest on that money is compounded daily and rewarded at the end of every month. So the money that I placed into that savings account is already earning interest. And I also just received my Titanium Apple card, the credit card, with a $4,500 limit, I believe. I don't know if that's their base limit. You guys probably will get different limits just based off of your income, you know, your salary, whatever else you got going on. But this credit that they just sent me, the credit line on this card right here is $4,500. So I'm ready to see what this card look like and feel it, because it say it's a titanium card. Like, is it bulletproof? Feel me? Like, can I use this card to block bullets if somebody's busting at me? Pause. So I went on my phone and it said that the package was shipped and it weighed a pound. And I was like, how does the package weigh a pound if it's just a little credit card? But it's because it's got this great cardboard packaging with this great, like, Apple certified, like I'm unboxing some piece of technology. Like, they take all of their packaging very seriously, from the AirPods to the MacBooks to the iPhones. You guys know when you unbox that iPhone, you got the box, pull it open, got the little stickers. You know, Apple does some great product shipping and packaging. Gotta give it to them. So let's open that. I don't want to reveal any personal information, so I'm gonna cover up the scanner. But here it is. Ooh wee, look at that. When you open up that thing, boom, Apple card. And they already got the Apple Pay, hold iPhone here to activate card. Like, who else is doing that, man? All you do, get the card in the mail, it's titanium, got my name printed on it, and then you just hold your phone up next to the card and it will automatically activate the card. All right, so I'm gonna try to do exactly what they say. Hold phone here. Yo, it did it. It picked it up like the same second. Apple card, can y'all see that? It say Apple card, activate. Feel like I'm Iron Man. Jarvis, activate card. Your card is ready. Use your card everywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can see transaction details and make payments in wallet. Use of this card is subject to the customer agreement. Boom. My card is ready. Okay. Let me go ahead and take it out. I want to take it out of the little packaging. I don't know how though. Just like, I feel like I could just keep it in here like it's a little passport. Like, somebody be like, who's paying for dinner? I got it. Just skadoosh. Here you go. Hold your phone up next to it. Like, that's fine. That's fine. This might be my new favorite credit card, but I still got my American Express Gold Skylines Delta card. I feel like that's the card that I'm going to be using the most because it has the highest credit line. And I'm going to make a video about, like, upgrading your credit score and how to get approved for more credit cards. So don't worry about that. But for now, just know that my highest available balance on all my credit cards is through American Express. So there we go. I just opened it. So this is what the back of the card looks like. MasterCard and the bank that they bank with, Goldman Sachs. I hope I'm saying that right, because I've been saying it like that this whole time. There's no numbers on the back of your card, just the little swipe part. You insert your debit card or swipe it. You can just swipe it. It's a swipeable card. And the front is very clean, man. This card do got some weight to it now. Like, it feels like titanium. I feel like, y'all hear that? I feel like it can stop a bullet. I should make a video on my firearm channel and test if the titanium Apple card is bulletproof. Nah, I wouldn't do that to this thing. I like it. Feels amazing. I feel classy with this thing in my hand. Like, showed me the money. Yeah, man. So unboxing it made me love it even more. Apple is doing great. first credit card through Apple, and I also was able to open up a savings account. So I have 2 bank accounts through Apple right now. I'm loving it. It's all accessible through my phone, so I can literally just log on to my wallet app right here. I might just screen record it and put it up for you guys right here, but so simple. All I have to do is go to my wallet app, click my wallet app. It pulls up my whole detailed summary, transaction history, everything about the card. My credit limit is actually $4,000, not $4,500. My fault. I thought it was $4,500. Must have confused it with another card. Available credit of $4,000. I haven't made any purchases on it yet. My savings account is sitting at about $2,000 right now. Hey, it's looking good. It's looking good. And some other features through the card I will read to you guys right now. So obviously through having an Apple credit card, you're going to receive like high rewards for purchasing Apple products and anything through the Apple store, because they're gonna incentivize you to spend money with them on their card. So you're gonna get 3% daily cash back at your favorite places such as the Apple store. Who would have known? So before you go buy that new iPhone or MacBook or iPad, whatever else, you might want to get that credit card, and you can use that to, you know, get some cash back, get discounts, and build your credit at the same time. Ace Hardware, T-Mobile, Nike, Uber Eats, Uber, Panera Bread, Exxon, Walgreens, Mobile. That's probably just to name a few. They have lots of other stores that you can earn 3% daily cash back at with. Also 2% daily cash back with Apple Pay. So if you guys like to use Apple Pay a lot and you use that card, like just scanning your phone over things or whatever else that may be, I use Apple Pay a lot, so that might come in handy. I know it will definitely come in handy. Over 85% of merchants in the United States accept Apple Pay now. I feel like everything is just so on your phone nowadays, electronic, online. So having this titanium card is amazing, but I feel like all the power is in your iPhone, because you can access your statements, transaction history. It's all linked to your phone. So essentially your phone is your card. Just drag your phone, double click your power button, your card will present itself, set it to the default card, scan it, just paying for everything right there. You never even have to bring your wallet, because I also saw through the Apple Wallet on your iPhone, they're integrating your state ID. So I think it only works for about 3 states right now: Maryland, Colorado, and something else. I think you can load your ID onto your phone. So essentially your phone is becoming your wallet and your phone. In another couple years, they might link your keys to your phone so that you could start your car from your phone. I know they already have that with certain apps and stuff, but Apple's really trying to step their game up from banking, Apple Pay, your wallet, everything like that. So your phone about to do everything you need it to do. You don't need to carry. When you leave the crib, you pat your pockets, phone, wallet, keys. You about to pat your pockets, phone, and then your wallet and keys gonna be inside your phone. Also 1% daily cash back on everything else. So whenever you use your titanium card or your virtual card number, you will receive 1% daily cash back. So the virtual card number is already gonna be stored in your wallet. Like I said, you can use that for all online purchases. So anytime you go to checkout on your phone, it's gonna default that virtual number, like on your titanium card, is gonna try to get you to use it so bad. And if you use your titanium card anywhere else in person, that MasterCard is accepted. There is no foreign transaction fee, and you will earn a minimum of 1% daily cash back. So that's pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Apple, you got me with the packaging, you got me with the benefits, but what really got me was that savings account. Because I've seen the Apple Card out for some years now. I believe it's been out for at least 2 years. I can remember the Apple Card being out, but that savings account that just launched recently with the 4.15% APY, it caught my eye. I opened the account the same day that I applied for it, and I received my titanium card within 3 days. So Apple's really on their game right now through Goldman Sachs. I have no complaints. As of right now, it's a 10 out of 10. Comment down below what you guys think of all this. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. I'm banking with Apple. Apple's taking over my life.